Hi, so this is my project final submission for the Harvard CS50 program, and for this project I have created a speed writing tester in totally in Python and Streamlit. And starting off, my name is Saad Abdur and my GitHub is Saadarazzaq, and I live in Pakistan, and the recording date is 21 October 2025. So before showing you the final project, I will show you this the readme file of the project. So this is the readme file of my project, and this is a speed writing tester built with Streamlit, and it shows us words per minute as well as the accuracy percentage. Its feedback includes real-time feedback that appears in green, red, and gray. Green means the correct characters, red means the incorrect characters, and gray means the characters are not typed. And it also shows incorrect words as well. There are visual charts in it as well, as I have made the use of data analysis in this. I've also containerized this application using Docker, and let's run the app. I've already run the application. Now start typing. This is the beautiful interface, web application interface. Now let's type issue of climatic change remains. Okay, I'll miss this word here, one. All right, I'll not write one. Okay, that remains of the most. Now I will do spelling mistakes, that is pressing. All right, challenges, again skipping one character and missing this incorrect word. Now submitting this, we get typing speed of 18.37 words per minute. As my typing speed is very low, time taken, I took 42.47 seconds, and the accuracy of 23.81%. Now you can see the typed text feedback. It totally gives the correct feedback. Also, you can see the performance charts here as well, accuracy with respect to word per minute, as well as there's a line chart as well and a pie chart as well. Incorrect characters, number of correct characters, and number of the count. So this is the complete project. I hope you guys found it useful. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much.